I think that the weakness that we've seen from mainland shares since February have very much been driven by fear of policy tightening, both on the monetary side and also on the fiscal stimulus side. Now, I think that while we will see a bit of tightening on the monetary side, and certainly the fiscal deficit in China will be smaller than it was last year, I think that the fears that policies will over tighten and cause liquidity issues are overblown. And I think that heading into the 100th anniversary of the Chinese Communist Party in July, that investors will start to feel more comfortable and that shares could rally into that event.
So maybe just a few months before some of those fears, the clouds part. Sam was just telling us about the climate goals that China has. Every country these days has climate goals, and it's very easy to play lip service to having good climate goals. Are you confident that China can meet its ESG commitments, and which sectors and stocks do you think will benefit the best?
Sure, I think that ESG is finally starting to really gain some traction this year as investors really put their money where their mouth is. So many investors actually implementing ESG-related initiatives in their investment plans. Now, China is one of the few major economies that has actually set forth very ambitious goals, especially for 2030, where they'll see the peak of emissions. Now, I'm not quite sure whether they'll be able to hit those goals, but actually putting them out there is very important. And I think that other countries will start to follow, especially looking forward to Biden's climate summit over the next few days to see that. For sectors that would benefit, I think that's really going to be the alternative energy companies as well as electric vehicle companies in China.
But haven't they already run a lot, David?
Yes, we see pretty astronomical valuations in electric vehicle companies. But if you look at the growth trajectory of the number of electric vehicles on the road right now, it's something like less than 1% of automobiles in the US are electric. And I think that both in terms of Biden's infrastructure spend, he'll allocate tremendous amount of capital towards really electrifying American roads and electric vehicles.